to Unf Ckatation 101, Lesson 3, Unf Ckatation in Action, from Sht to Shinola. But first, I do hope you are celebrating you, because you are doing the work, and I am so proud of you. You have taken time to define what well-being means to you in your physical, emotional, and spiritual arenas in your life. You've assessed where you are in each of those different areas. You're really understanding awareness is key. You cannot change what you do not see. And you've become acutely aware of some of the shit that you need to quit in your life. Yeah, I'm so proud of you. And I hope you are too. I hope you are celebrating you. But for today, our focus is going to be transforming the shit habit into a Shinola treasure that will help you with your ultimate vision of well-being. So let's get started. Take out your shit list, and I want you to select the one thing that you really want to quit. It's the one thing off of all the Quit Sht List items, the one thing to you that's the most annoying. It's the most bothersome, could be the most damaging that you're currently doing. So let's walk through an example. This person wants to quit eating junk food. That's their number one thing they want to quit from their Quit Sht List. So after you identify that one thing you want to quit, I really want you to reflect on your well-being target. For example, this person's like, hey, if I quit eating junk food, then I intend to lose weight and I intend to feel better. Again, these are super personal and there's no right or wrong answer. The next step for you is defining a positive replacement. You're going to quit buying the junk food, but what are you going to replace it with? This is identifying that new positive, that habit, that routine, that activity that's going to help you achieve your well-being target. For example, instead of paying $8 for a bag of Doritos, they're only going to purchase healthy things. Maybe you're going to pay $8 for asparagus and then your pee will smell. I don't know. Oh, okay. I went sideways on that again. Excuse me. And I got to go there. I got to go there about healthy living for a second. I'm going to drop a ding ding, an extra wisdom nugget. I didn't have this planned, but I'm going there anyway. If you've been around Soul's Healing Humanity enough, you have heard me say this a lot about healthy eating. You can't eat it if you don't buy it. Anyway, I digress. I'm getting back to what we're supposed to be doing here. So the next thing, after you define your positive replacement, is you are actually going to set targets. You are going to use Soul's Healing Humanity's target practice to set specific, meaningful, actionable steps and targets for your new habit or your new routine. There's an example of target practice in your workbook, and you'll get the idea once you look at the page there for you. You'll be like, oh yeah, this totally makes sense. But you've got to do that for yourself. Only you can do that. Then the next step is you really do need to create a system of accountability. Whether it's sharing your target with someone else, maybe your partner in your life, or you join Soul's Healing Humanity and you partner up there. It's like, hey, I'm doing the Quit Sht List thing here. Who wants to buddy up with me? Do it together. Or you can use a habit tracker. And again, there's one in your workbook. Habit tracking is a practice of monitoring and recording your daily behaviors and habits that you want to celebrate. It's celebrating you. You know, maybe you color in a certain area for every day. Maybe you give yourself a motherfucking gold star. I don't know. It's got to be unique and work for you. But there is science behind tracking those habits, celebrating you. And again, in your workbook, you're going to find a habit tracker, and it's also in the planner and journal that you will receive. So the holistic scaffolding, there's a lot of celebrating you and acknowledging the progress that you have already made and you are making on a daily basis. And that habit tracker, that helps you celebrate you. And I want you to celebrate all those little wins as well. Sometimes we forget about that. Now, I want to offer you a wisdom wand that is only taught exclusively in this course. And there's a separate file for this. This is going to be kind of the explanation, but in the resource section, it is a separate file. But the wisdom wand is called Quantum You. And what I want you to do is, for the example of the person that doesn't want to eat junk food anymore, they're replacing it with putting healthy things in their cart. So they're coming into awareness of what they want to do instead. They're quitting buying junk food. I will walk you through kind of a meditation, and you are going to visit your future self. And in this example, this future self no longer buys junk food. They are at their well-being target of losing weight. They are healthier. Maybe they're off medication. And we're going to actually visit that future you energetically. I know it's a little woo-woo world, but you know what? You have nothing to lose. It's going to be something that you can use over and over again as you pick different things off your Quit Sht List. So look for that in the resource section. So in summary today, we walked through exactly how to take that shit and turn it into Shinola, baby. Choosing something you want to quit, reflecting on your well-being target, defining that positive replacement, and that's where you're going to use that wisdom wand, the Quantum You. Setting targets, you're going to use that Soul's Healing Humanity target practice. Establishing that accountability, whatever that looks like for you. Buddying up, coming to Soul's Healing Humanity, using the the habit tracker. And always celebrating you, using that holistic scaffolding. You have a lot to celebrate. I am always proud of the work that you are doing. So join me, because coming up, I want you to grab a shovel and strap on a gas mask, because tomorrow we're going in deep, baby. Lesson 4 is plumbing the depths, a deeper dive into quitting shit. Until next time, I love all you people. Thank you.